Meaning of futurologist.
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 Futurologist. A futurologist is a person who studies and predicts future developments in society, technology, economics, and culture. They use research and analysis to identify patterns and trends that may shape the future. Futurologists explore potential scenarios and consequences of current and emerging technologies and social changes. Their work helps individuals, organizations, and governments prepare for possible future outcomes. By studying the past and present, futurologists provide insights and guidance on how best to navigate and adapt to the uncertainties of tomorrow. In short, futurologists help us see what lies ahead and make informed decisions about our future.